ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್ ರೂಪಾಸ್ ವ್ಲಾಗ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಾನಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್ ಅವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಣ್ಣದಾದಂಥ ಭಾಷಣವನ್ನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. I will be giving a short speech on the topic of Subhash Chandra Bose. He was born on January 23, 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. His father was Janakinath Bose and mother was Prabhavati Devi. He excelled in school when he was a little child. Initially joining Mahatma Gandhi, he later formed his own Azad Hind Fauj, Indian National Army. Bose's famous slogan was "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom." It is said that on the 18th of August 1945, Subhash Chandra Bose died in a plane crash. Netaji is remembered as a national hero in India, celebrated for his dedication to the cause of freedom. His birth anniversary, January 23, is observed as Netaji Jayanti. Even today, he is a huge inspiration. Thank you. ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.